Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video I want to show you a little bit about how to use these scented beads that you can get. This is basically a scent enhancer, a scent booster. Each of the different brands makes their own versions of this, and basically what it is, if you look inside, as you can see, it's just like a bunch of little beads that go in the washer. This is one of those things where you can use as much or little or as much of it as you'd like to boost the scent in your clothes. It goes in during the wash cycle, the main wash. One thing with this one is you don't want to use this in a detergent dispenser, especially if you're using like a liquid detergent. You can use this in there, and it goes in just fine. If you use a powder, you can't actually put it up there. It'll actually tell you to just put it right in the drum when you put it in. The best way to do this is to measure out however much you want. This stuff doesn't foam up, so you don't have to worry. It doesn't do anything to enhance the cleaning of the clothes. This is basically what it is. And then all you got to do is, before you add your clothes, throw it in. You want to put it in before the clothes, so that way when it fills up, it'll be immersed in the water and be able to dissolve a little bit quicker. That's basically about it. It's nothing real fancy about using this stuff. You can take that a little bit and put it up in the dry compartment if you're using a powder, and it'll wash it down in. But I'd still recommend throwing it in the tub, because if you put it in the cup in the detergent dispenser, when it washes it down in, all the beads might just go right down into your into the drain pump, instead of staying suspended in the water and dissolve in the water. And then you won't get the full effect of the scent. I've made that mistake a couple of times, not really thinking. When you use this, it goes in for the main wash even before you put your clothes in, and then just wash as normal. If you do use the extra rinse, I recommend putting a little bit more in, because with each rinse, it will rinse some more of the scent out of your clothes. So in a lot of ways, it's better when you use this stuff, not to use the extra rinse. Just let it go through a normal cycle without the extra rinse. Or if you're going to use an extra rinse, I'd recommend not really wasting it. That's basically about it. It's basically that simple. All you got to do now is just basically add your clothes and run your normal wash cycle. I hope you found this helpful. Thank you for watching, and God bless. So long.